Opening of paradise and closing of hellfire. This hadith emphasizes the special blessings and opportunities that come with the arrival of Ramadan. It signifies a time of increased spiritual awareness and closeness to Allah, as the gates of paradise are opened, while the gates of hellfire are closed. Additionally, the chaining of the devil suggests a period of reduced temptation, making it easier for believers to focus on their worship and self-improvement. Forgiveness of sins. Ramadan is viewed as a time of repentance and forgiveness. This hadith highlights the immense reward for sincere fasting during Ramadan, as it serves as a means of expiating past sins. It underscores the mercy and generosity of Allah towards those who observe the fast with true faith and devotion. Special reward for fasting. Fasting during Ramadan holds a unique status among all acts of worship. This hadith reaffirms that fasting is exclusively for Allah, and He promises a special reward for it. It underscores the significance of fasting as a direct means of pleasing Allah and earning His favor. Importance of good behavior. Fasting in Ramadan is not merely about abstaining from food and drink, it also entails a commitment to righteousness and moral conduct. This hadith admonishes believers to avoid engaging in sinful behavior and idle talk while fasting, reminding them that their fasting is meaningless if not accompanied by virtuous deeds. Guarding one's speech. Muslims are reminded to be mindful of their speech and conduct while fasting. This hadith advises believers to refrain from engaging in indecent or unnecessary conversations and to exercise patience, even in the face of provocation. By doing so, they uphold the sanctity of their fast and demonstrate self-discipline. Gate of Paradise. This hadith describes a special gate in paradise called Ar-Rayyan, which is reserved for those who observe fasting sincerely during Ramadan. It symbolizes the exclusive reward and honor bestowed upon fasting individuals on the Day of Judgment. Through their commitment to fasting, believers earn the privilege of entering paradise through this distinguished gate. Sincerity in fasting. Merely abstaining from food and drink is not sufficient for the acceptance of one's fast. This hadith underscores the importance of sincerity and righteousness in fasting. It serves as a reminder that true fasting involves not only physical restraint but also spiritual purification and self-discipline. Fasting as a shield. Fasting serves as a shield against sin and evil. This hadith encourages believers to exercise restraint and control over their emotions and actions while fasting. By maintaining patience and forbearance, they protect themselves from succumbing to negative impulses and temptations. Forgiveness through prayer. In addition to fasting, prayer holds great significance during Ramadan. This hadith highlights the opportunity for believers to seek forgiveness for their past sins through earnest prayers offered during this blessed month. It reaffirms the transformative power of sincere worship in seeking Allah's mercy and forgiveness. The beginning of Ramadan. This hadith describes the special atmosphere that accompanies the onset of Ramadan. It marks the beginning of a spiritually charged period, characterized by divine blessings and guidance. Believers are reminded to seize the opportunities afforded by this auspicious time and to strive for spiritual growth and righteousness.